Hi everyone, this is Gabby with our Decorative Nest, and today I am trying out the new resin products from Dollar Tree. So all of these products that I did pick up were in the $3 to $5 range. They weren't $1.25, but that's okay because I always see all these awesome projects people make with resin and I wanted to try it out for myself. Now, one thing to note before starting your project, going into this I thought I was going to be making a set of earrings. However, I did not realize that there were no duplicate shapes on the resin mold. So if you're trying to make a set of items like earrings, make sure you pick up 2 trays. So whenever using resin, make sure that you are using gloves. Even though it is quite easy to clean up if you spill it anywhere, you want to make sure you don't get it on your skin. The measuring cups from Dollar Tree were very easy to use. They had a little measuring on them, so you want to make sure that you have the same amount in each container, pour together, and then mix for about 4 minutes. After mixing both pieces of resin together, I am going to begin pouring them into the molds. One thing I didn't realize since this was my first time using resin is that a little goes a long way. I didn't account that mixing them together would give me a lot more resin, so a little goes a long way. If you put a little in each, you most likely will fill this Dollar Tree mold. For this project, I did get the little resin pieces from Dollar Tree as well, and they are so cute. I really love the different type of fruits that you could customize these with. I would also recommend using a toothpick to move around the little pieces and as well to give them dimension and push the pieces to the bottom and then have some floating on top. Overall, I just felt like this resin was very easy to use and very affordable, which is always a plus. Now, once you have all your resin pieces in place, you are going to let them cure overnight for 24 hours. And here are my final pieces. I really love how each piece came out. The only thing that I would make sure to do next time is that each piece is filled completely to the top. I do have a couple pieces that there is an indent and then it comes up on the sides, but that's no big deal. I still really think they're so adorable, and for the price, I am so glad that I did it. All these pieces are really cute as necklaces. However, if you do want to make earrings, make sure to get 2 resin molds. Thank you so much for continuing to sprinkle and watch our Decorative Nest, and I hope you get the chance to buy the Dollar Tree resin and try it out for yourself. Happy crafting!